Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head, I've been waiting.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel for another clean with me. For today's cleaning motivation, I will be doing a fall cleaning routine. You guys, I have missed you all so much. I feel like I've been gone forever. Even though it's only been a little while, I miss chit-chatting with you guys in the comments. But I think I'm back. I'm really getting anxiety from watching my house be a complete disaster. The 3 rooms I will be cleaning today will be my kitchen, dining room, and living room. These 3 rooms are my main priority when it comes to cleaning. My bathroom also, but I just didn't have time for it on this day. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my boyfriend finally fixed our door in the kitchen. I was so excited. He cut out the frame and put in the new door. So there was a lot of dust. I did pick up some, I vacuumed around and stuff like that. But it was still pretty dusty on the cabinets, in the window. So I do give that a good wipe down. I will also be cleaning my dining room. It is a complete disaster on this day. Amelia has been coloring a lot lately. She climbs out of everything. There is no holding her back. I don't know why I have a gate between my living room and my dining room anymore, because she climbs it. She climbs out of her crib. She runs around and she does what she wants. So the only way to hold her back is to put her in her booster. So whenever Mama has to use the bathroom, I put her in her booster and give her something to color so she's not alone with the baby. And as you can see, I've been slacking on laundry as well. You will see on my dining room table there is a lot of folded laundry that needs to be put away. So I will be doing that as well. My living room is not too bad. It just needs a good pickup of all the toys. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and it motivates you all. How is it? How is the weather where you guys are at? Does it feel like fall, or does it still feel warm and like summer? Because here in Chicago, it definitely feels like fall. It's going to be in the 60s today. So I will probably be cuddling my little bambinos and watching Netflix all day, even though Mama has a ton of laundry to do. But laundry can always wait, right? So yeah, I hope you enjoy and it gives you the motivation you need. Have a wonderful day, guys.
Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head, I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm at.
All right, you guys, who is excited about Halloween? Because your girl definitely is. I love Halloween. I love dressing up. I love doing Halloween makeup. I love haunted houses. I love decorating. And I love hocus pocus. I just love all things Halloween. Bless you, baby. I don't know if you guys heard him, but he sneezed. I love when babies sneeze. Okay, back to Halloween. But I was kind of thinking I'm not going to decorate this year. It's really sad. Like I want to decorate and do at least a little bit with the kids, but I did so much fall decor that I was just like, I really don't feel like decorating for Halloween. I got enough pumpkins out, you know? But I think I'm going to do a little bit. So what do you guys do? How do you guys do it? If you decorate for fall, do you still decorate for Halloween? Do you guys put them both together? Do you take the fall decor out and then put some Halloween decor in? I think I'm just going to add a little bit of I think I'm just going to add a little bit of Halloween decor with my fall decor. So I have it all set up for Thanksgiving still. But let me know, how do you guys do it?
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium, sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, medium.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Alright, you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. I would love to have you. If you made it this far, you guys, leave me a Halloween emoji. Yeah, so as always, you guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next one.